Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to adding fonts in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To adding fonts in Google Docs, font option here, and here many fonts are here, but if you want to add more font, click on more fonts. Click on drop down menu here, script, all script. You can select language from here and you can select display or all fonts. Now I am going to select this one, Lustre, and then Litra 1, and I am selecting another one, Alpha. Now click on OK. Now I am going to change the font. Look, the font is added here. This one also, and I can change the font. This is the easiest way to add new fonts in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.